In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon Prime password. Step-by-step guide. We're going to walk through the exact path inside Prime Video that takes you to your main Amazon account where password changes are managed. This is quick, but I'll call out what to look for so you don't get stuck. First, open your web browser and go to primevideo.com. You can do this on a computer or a mobile browser. If you're not already signed in, log in using your current Amazon credentials. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt as usual. This ensures you're securely accessing the right account. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon. Click that, then choose Account and Settings from the menu. This opens your Prime Video account area where most of your streaming preferences live. Inside Account and Settings, look for an option that says Edit on Amazon. Click it. This part is important. Prime Video accounts are tied directly to your main Amazon account, so changing the password happens on Amazon, not within Prime Video itself. That's why you're being redirected. You'll now be on your Amazon account settings page. Find the edit option related to your password and click it to open the password change page. For security purposes, you'll be asked to enter your current password first. Go ahead and confirm it. Next, create your new password. Make it strong and unique, ideally a longer passphrase or a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using names, common words, or anything you've used on other sites. A password manager can help you generate and store something you won't have to memorize. After you enter the new password, save your changes, you should see a confirmation that the update was successful. In some cases, you may be signed out of other devices. If that happens, simply sign back in with your new password the next time you use Prime Video or shop on Amazon. That's it. Your Amazon Prime password has been successfully changed. To recap, you went to primevideo.com, signed in, opened account and settings from your profile icon, selected Edit on Amazon, and then changed your password in your Amazon account settings. Keep your new password in a safe place and consider reviewing your account security settings later to make sure everything looks good. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, you're all set to enjoy your shows and shop with added peace of mind.